ass motherfucker.
Yeah, you know who it is.
They don't hear me cry.
Say they don't hear me, but I don't hear you. You say you made it now, but I'm here too. Man, I don't hear you. Man, I'm here too. Yeah. Hey, let's go on with that first verse.
Come on, man.
It's the up and coming old fool with the soulful beats tasty like soul food, spilling out my teeth, and I'm in a kinda gold mood, cause I'm me, and now I'm feeling the whole room's behind me. So find me and find beat, chilling in the back, sit relax and feeling that track that we got on blast, thinking raps in our head, but gotta keep our head up, cause this stupid study hall teacher said that she hear enough of us, but she loves it, I know it, because I hear the music on a computer. It's us, it's kinda weird, huh? Whatever the bottom line is, that I'm bored in class. It sucks that I'm forced to pass, and now with it sort of trash. And lately I've been thinking I'm the one who forms the path of my future, but I guess that theory wasn't born to last. Something along the lines of poolsides and daiquiris is where my thoughts are and what my future has for me. That's the dream. They don't hear me, but I don't hear you. They think they made it now, but I'm here too. They don't hear me, man, I don't hear you. They think they made it now, but I'm here too. Yeah, I'm here too. Yeah, I'm here too. They think they made it now, but I'm here too. Yeah, I'm here too. Yeah, I'm here too. They think they made it now, but I'm here too.
I'm in the booth, having fun with tracks, backflips and jumping jacks, and nothing lacks with puns and raps, and I don't ask for something back. Come and chat online on Twitter and you can follow me. I don't fit the mold like Plato, I got philosophy. Features what they got for me, I tell them get out for me. Their heads are way too far up their rails like colonoscopy. Hit me up like hey I rap, so may I get on a track. You need some practice like AI. Wait, I didn't mention one little thing. Reaching the top is very close to jumping the brink. I'm coming to think about how much fun it'll bring. Trying to find my way lost in this wonderful thing. Cha-ching, there's no relating to the vibe I'm creating, and the time that it takes to make it can't get off of mistaken. And we live in separate worlds, so you lost the translation. And it don't cost a lot to boss, leading the Boston innovation. Go.
They don't hear me, but I don't hear you. They think they made it now, but I'm here too. They don't hear me, man, I don't hear you. They think they made it now, but I'm here too. Yeah, I'm here too. Yeah, I'm here too. They think they made it now, but I'm here too. Yeah, I'm here too. Yeah, I'm here too. They think they made it now, but I'm here too. I don't care about when I'm gonna blow. It takes time when they ain't looking at the flow. They looking at the glitz and the glam. Who I was, who I am, wasn't accounted for. So what's my plan? So I'ma keep rapping and trying to do my thing. And maybe I will hear it right now as I try to sing the music I try to bring. Well, that's the stuff you're looking for. And Brendan said it, we raw. So what you cooking for?